Imagine a world where half of the working population earns their income online. Sounds surprising? But it's not far from reality. Welcome to the surprising world of online earnings. As we move forward into the digital age, more and more people are finding ways to make a living online. In fact, experts predict that by 2027, nearly half of the global workforce will be generating income through the internet. This seismic shift towards online work is fueled by the many benefits it offers. Workers enjoy the flexibility of setting their own hours, the independence of being their own boss, and the potential for high earnings. In many cases, the online platform allows people to turn their passion into profit, making work more enjoyable and fulfilling. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. Quite an incredible reality, isn't it? Now let's dive into some real-life examples of people who have successfully made money online. Meet Sarah, a stay-at-home mom, and John, a retired teacher. They both have one thing in common: they earn money online. Sarah's story is as inspiring as it is relatable. With 2 young children at home, she faced the challenge of balancing her responsibilities as a mother with her desire to contribute to the family income. She turned to her love for writing and her knack for words, starting her journey as a freelance writer. Sarah began by writing blog posts and articles for clients across the globe. She found her niche in health and wellness, and her client base soon grew. Now, she is not just a mom, but also a successful freelance writer, managing her time effectively and earning a steady income from the comfort of her home. John, on the other hand, had a different journey. After years of teaching geography, he retired and found himself with plenty of time on his hands. He had always been passionate about photography, but had never considered it as more than a hobby. That was until he discovered the world of online business. John started by selling his digital prints on various platforms. His beautiful landscape photographs, honed by years of geographical knowledge, quickly gained popularity. Now, he runs a successful online business, selling his digital prints to customers worldwide. Sarah's and John's stories may sound extraordinary, but they're not. They represent the vast sea of possibilities that the internet offers. Whether you're a wordsmith like Sarah or a shutterbug like John, there's a place for you in the online earning world. These stories remind us that it isn't just about the skills you have, but also about how you leverage them. It's about turning your passion into profit, your hobby into a business. It's about finding what you love to do and then finding a way to earn from it. Sarah and John are just 2 examples among millions. The internet is indeed a goldmine waiting for you to explore it. Now that you've seen what's possible, it's your turn to take action. Believe it or not, the online world is full of opportunities just waiting to be seized. To begin your journey in online money-making, start with a simple step. Identify your skills or passions. Do you love writing? Are you good at graphic design? Or perhaps you're a whiz at coding? Whatever your talent, there's a place for it in the digital marketplace. Once you've pinpointed your skills, it's time to do some research. The internet is a vast space, filled with diverse platforms where you can start earning. Websites like Upwork or Fiverr can be great places to start for freelancers. If you're into selling physical goods, maybe Etsy or eBay is your go-to. And for the tech-savvy, app development or web design could be your ticket to online earnings. But remember, success won't come knocking at your door overnight. It's going to take time, effort, and a whole lot of patience. Set realistic goals for yourself. Maybe your initial aim is to earn an extra $100 a month. That's a great starting point. As you build your online presence, you can gradually increase your goals. Another key factor to remember is to stay persistent. There will be days when you feel like throwing in the towel, but remember, every great accomplishment began with a decision to try. Keep pushing, keep improving, and keep expanding your horizons. In the world of online earnings, it's all about growth and evolution. So be open to learning new skills, adapting to new platforms, and embracing all the challenges that come your way. It's through these experiences that you'll find your path to success. The journey may seem daunting at first, but don't let that deter you. After all, every successful online earner started somewhere, and today, it's your turn. Remember, every successful online earner started somewhere. Your journey begins today, so take the first step and unlock your potential in the world of online earnings.